Welcome back to another video and Merry Christmas.
And I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas holidays and thank you so much already for all the Christmas wishes. And in this video we have some exciting Christmas present that we received a bit earlier, well not really earlier than Christmas Day. And since it's muddy outside, Santa Claus did not come in a sled, he came in a bathtub. So let's actually first see those clips before we get to the rest of the video thing, right? Here comes the bathtub. I think he knows what he's bringing us, right? Because he's really coming close for that.
Yep.
Oh, that's actually big. It was looking really small when he was upside down. It's nice.
Start filling it up.
Would you like some? Okay. Go.
Oh, I'm supposed to join you again. Oh yeah, no, the thickness is like the bigger than the maybe. Oh yeah, like this crisscrossed.
Crisscross. Wait.
It's on the minimum to be a 2-person bathtub.
It's perfect for us too.
But luckily you can lay from both sides. That's the good thing. No siphon. Here's the hole. That was
You like it?
Yeah.
So here's the bathtub as you saw, and this is the key for our first project of 2025, which is the bathroom. We actually wanted to be the last project of 2024, but we did not really realize how much work is in there. Well, we did, but we got carried away with other jobs. So yeah, to the bathtub. That is a bathtub. It's not in the right place, of course. And yeah, we chose this one after 2 months of going back and forth of bathtubs. Yeah, that's the one we chose. It's a 180, I think it was, right? Even closer to 190 was the biggest, widest one that we could kind of get for our budget. And it's also 75 or 80. I think it was 180 by 80, something like that. So as you saw, we both fit really nicely in the bathtub. And yeah, let's now go in the bathroom and talk about our plans with it and what we're gonna do in the upcoming year.
So this is going to be the first big project that we're going to do in 2025. It's our bathroom. It was an emergency in summer, and whenever we got started and started ripping out the ceiling, we did an amazing job with the ceiling. I really love it. And we took down the chimney, which had to be done in warm, dry weather. That is nice and done. But then we kind of slowed down since we had other things we were doing, such as the tower, and also the moisture kind of disappeared. Since we removed the stove, the moisture was able to just go in there in the concrete and leave. So we not have had any wet floors at all. The tiles are falling off in the shower, but it's still usable, it's still working. It's just a giant mess. So what we're gonna do before we get started with ripping out all the floors, because we do need to put in a new water line, we need to go all the way through the hallway into the mudroom. That's where it's going to be a little pump situated in that room, so it's not underneath the sink, which is really annoying, loud and uncomfortable, because every time you flush the water or shower, it's a loud pump running next to you. So before we do that, we are just gonna do this whole corner. So we need to take on all this off, all the shower, everything, and we're gonna install the bathtub. Because we can do all the tiling, we can do everything before we do the floors. It sounds a bit kind of reversed, but the walls in theory don't get touched when you're doing the floors. This concrete down here is very soft, it will rip out easily, so we're not going to damage the walls. And to pour in new concrete, we even can put a plastic sheet in front of the tiles, not to get splashed, but you can wash off concrete as well. So the biggest roadblock was that the tower took a lot longer than we expected, and we could just not simply get on demolishing the floors out, because that's something that if you get started, you gotta finish. And the cold was rolling in, and you cannot do concrete under certain temperatures. We were thinking into doing the barn as well at the same time to get a company to do it. We did not have the finances to do it quite, but we wanted all proper, nice heated floors, all nice new concrete with the pipes fully underneath, brand new pipes. So that is the biggest reason why we stopped the project. But I think we're gonna get back on it and destroy this wall in the shower, because the shower tiles are falling off. That is the worst part. The toilet is working, and the floors, we are gonna rip off this old laminate because it's all blown up and all the lines are cracking off. So we're just gonna rip it off, and we have exactly enough laminate sitting in our barn from leftover of the bedrooms to just redo all of it as it is for now. I'm scared that that's gonna make it comfortable where we're not gonna do it that fast, but the urgency of the bathroom will kind of fade a bit in a sense, in a good way, where our tiles are not falling off the shower. So we can put a tub in here and all the tiles new and finish off this arc as well nicely, take off the brick and re-brick it fully nice and new. It's a lot of work to do, so we kind of have to take out the shower and do it maybe in 3 to 6 days. We can go to shower somewhere else like in a spa, but we have to have it fast done. We cannot be without shower for too long. It's going to be a bit expensive going somewhere else to shower all the time. But I think that's going to be a nice project to get started on and have this place a bit better, but the floors definitely need to be redone as well.
So that pretty much is it. David explained everything perfectly. I don't have much to add besides the fact that we could just put also the bathtub in with that before doing the floors or anything in case we want to shower. But I don't know if that's how that's gonna work. But also it's easy to take the bathtub off after, once we want to do properly the floors, because it is super light. We were scared that's gonna be heavy, but it is light, and I think it fits through. Yeah, I guess if we turn it, it fits through the door, no problem. So we come back to it before summer and do properly the floors and finish up the bathroom. I hope that by summer this whole project will be done. We will see, as David said, how comfortable we're gonna get. I hope not too much, and we do want to get it together with a barn. Maybe we do by summer get the finances to do it by a company all together. That was also the reason why we didn't do it, is because we could not clean up the barn and do it all perfect within 2 months. And yeah, that is kind of it. We will not gonna start the bathroom. We actually wanted to start now, but I think it's too rushed for now, so we're gonna start maybe like second week of after New Year, because we still want to do some work in our bedroom. We want to build a dresser and the drawers, so hopefully kind of like mid-end January we're going to be able to have this bathroom kind of done. Maybe for David's birthday on 25th of January, 24th of January. What do you think?
Maybe.
We're gonna have a bathtub, so let us know what you think. And tomorrow we're gonna have a live stream, so make sure to join there. We're gonna be talking about what we kind of achieved this year, what our plans are for next year, so make sure to check that out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you in tomorrow's live stream.